of human civilization, whether in a big city, small town or suburban community. It's also the place where you can have the most influence in making a better world. Whether you're a vendor or homeowner, here are a couple of ways to make a neighborhood a better place to live in. Maintain your home. A great way to build a good neighborhood is to start at your home. Basic maintenance is a great way of making the impression that your neighborhood is a great place to live. Tend to your lawn and yard. In many places, the idea of a good neighborhood is tied to positive and desirable aesthetics. One of the most important aspects of this is the way people's lawns and yards look. Avoid accumulating junk in your yard. One of the best you should make sure that you aren't accumulating junk in your yard. Don't create problems for your neighbors. One of the best ways to build a good neighborhood is to make sure that you aren't creating any problems for your neighbors. Limit the noise you produce. Noise complaints and noise problems are one of the biggest issues in many neighborhoods. As a result, if you want to better your neighborhood, limit the noise you produce. Organize a gardening club. A gardening club is the best way to beautify and better your neighborhood. Do random acts of kindness for your neighbors. Doing random acts of kindness for your neighbors is one sure way to help create a better neighborhood. Make friends with your neighbors. Making friends with your neighbors is a great way to build a better neighborhood. Organize an annual block party or barbecue. Organizing an annual block party in your neighborhood is a great way to build community. These suggestions are focused on strengthening the sense of community and spirit of the commons by providing people with ways to come together as friends, neighbors and citizens. It creates a firm foundation that makes a neighborhood a better place to live in harmony for a brighter future generation. Thank you.